Hello, happy Friday. Welcome to my empty temporary office. I will be moving back upstairs to the English department next week once they've finished with our remodel. So if you're looking for me on campus sometime midweek next week, I will be in C0113 instead of down in the science department. So happy Friday. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what we are doing. You need to finish up week 4, obviously. So in the content area, if you go to week 4, you can check out the checklist and make sure that you have finished up those last discussion boards where you are working on thesis statements and responding to each other's critiques of those particular articles that you read. Now that essay number 1 is graded and ready for you to review, you need to complete your essay number 1 feedback, reflection, and goals learning activity quiz. That's where you get to review my feedback, tell me what you understood, what you didn't understand, where you want more clarity, and then set some writing goals for yourself. And then finally, you should start working on your rough draft of essay number 2 because in week 5, let's go back to content. And week 5, we are hitting the halfway point in this summer semester. We're actually going to be tackling another writing workshop starting on Wednesday of next week. So week 5, I'm going to open up the checklist here. You want to do some reading in your textbook about paraphrasing and citing sources. You want to watch my Integrating the Voices of Others screencast video. You will also have access to the things that I've embedded in that PowerPoint and video screencast as well, so you'll see those over in week 5's materials. And then once you have watched my screencast video and looked at the PowerPoint and taken lots of notes, you can go ahead and finish the Integrating the Voices of Others Learning Activity quiz. You will need to use all of this information as you work on your rough draft. So that's why this is due on Tuesday, June 28th. I believe that's Tuesday. And Wednesday, June 29th is when you need to have your rough draft uploaded to the discussion board before midnight on Wednesday night so that Thursday and Friday you can jump in and start giving each other feedback. So the discussion board, as always, has very specific instructions. I've matched you up into groups again. If you happen to be in a group of 4 people, you only need to respond to 2 people. So make sure that you're working it out amongst yourselves who's giving feedback to whom. And then finally, just as a reminder, you have 9 questions here. You want to copy all 9 of those questions, paste them into your response, and answer them very specifically. So when it says, what is one specific helpful thing the writer can do to improve fill in the blank, be specific and helpful. And as always, keep in mind how you are delivering that feedback. You want to be encouraging, you want to be positive, and you want to be as helpful as possible. So try framing things as a reader, I noticed this, or when I was reading, I found myself wondering or confused about or wishing you had. So think about the kinds of feedback you would like to receive. Make sure you're framing it in the same way, and also, of course, identifying what is going really well in these drafts. And that is what we are up to for week 5. So if you have any questions or you need to get in touch with me, you know how to do that. And I think that's it for now. So I will talk to you all soon. Have a great weekend. Bye.